Do you know that you've got a nuclear reactor inside you? Yes, a very powerful nuclear reactor which has got more power than the bombs which produced the bombs which were used in the World War and spoiled cities like Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Yes, you have a more powerful nuclear reactor inside you. And that nuclear reactor is called the mind. M-I-N-D, the mind. It's a very powerful nuclear reactor which does not produce bombs, but it produces something called as thoughts, which are so powerful that they can be more destructive than the bombs which were used in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Yes, your thoughts are so very powerful. Why do I say that? If you look at your life, whatever you have become till yesterday was because of the way you have thought. And what you will become tomorrow will also be based on the way you are thinking today. Thoughts are so very powerful. In Theosophy, we usually call them as thought forms because they have life. They have energy. Now, everything in the universe is energy. We all know that. And this energy of thinking, when you think, you create vibrations. And those vibrations can actually be measured in an electroencephalogram. So these thoughts which you generate actually create the reality in your life. How does it happen? The more and more you think about something, the more and more power you are giving to that particular entity. And as it becomes more stronger, it starts manifesting as reality in your life. Now this is a law. We know about the law of gravity, right? A person who has got knowledge of the law of gravity or who doesn't have knowledge about the law of gravity like a small child, also if they throw a ball up in the air, the ball is going to come down because it's a law. Similarly, whether we have the knowledge about this particular law of thought, which is actually called in many terms, they call it the law of attraction. Now, whether you know about this law or whether you don't know about this law is always working. So every time, if you see human beings, generally, they say that we generate about 80,000 thoughts in a day, of which 90% of the thoughts are actually about what has already happened. It's something which we have already happened and which you already thought about. And there are only 10% of thoughts which are new. And out of these 90% of the thoughts about the past, 80% of them are negative thoughts. Now, the term which is given for this is called automatic negative thoughts or ants. So there are a lot of ants in us. We automatically start thinking about a lot of negative things. And when we do this thinking continuously about a particular event in our life, a sad happening, a loss, or a financial breakdown which has happened for us, the more and more we think about it, we are attracting similar situations into our life. That's what the law of attraction is all about. Now, what is that we can do about it? It's very important for us to know that we are actually tuned by our belief systems, by our family culture, by the way we have grown up. We are actually tuned to automatically start thinking about bad things, negative things in life. But this is where we need to understand that we need to become aware of our thoughts and start actually to differentiate between the negative thoughts, what is happening inside our mind, and the positive ones. So whenever negative thoughts are coming in our mind, we need to become consciously aware and stop those thoughts because we are going to attract similar things and events in our life. This is the way we are wired and this is how the universe works. So it's very important for us to understand that we have a choice. Each one of us at any point of time in our life, we have a choice about choosing a positive way or a negative way. If we choose a negative way, we need to see and live with the consequences of choosing that negative path. And if we choose a positive thought, that positive thought will take us to a positive path wherein we will be able to reap success, happiness and good health. Bye for now. Remember, thoughts create things or thoughts become things, whether the positive thoughts or the negative ones too. Have a great day. Let's meet for another topic in the next session.